Nature of staffing. The main characteristics of staffing are as follows. Number one, part of management. Staffing is an integral part of management process. It is inherent in all organizations because people comprise an essential part of every organization. Management involves getting results through people. Number two, pervasive function. Staffing is a function that is performed by all managers at all levels of the organization. Every manager has to deal with his subordinates to get things done. Therefore, staffing is required in all functional areas such as production, marketing, financing, etc. A manager may secure advice and help from experts in managing people, but every manager has to perform the staffing function. Number three, concerned with people. Staffing is concerned with people at work and their relationship. It is concerned with the management of human beings. It is a difficult task because people are not simply working tools. They have their own needs, emotions, and sentiments. Some amount of knowledge of human nature, that is psychology, is necessary for efficient management of personnel. Number four, wide scope. The scope of staffing function is very wide. It includes a broad spectrum of activities like recruitment, selection, placement, training, transfer, promotion, appraisal, and compensation of employees. It is found not only in business but in army, government, and other types of organization. Number five, multiple objectives. Staffing aims at both efficiency and justice, neither of which can be pursued successfully without the other. The objectives of staffing are as follows. A. Organizational objectives to make optimal utilization of human resources. Employee objectives to ensure maximum development of every individual and to provide personal satisfaction to each employee. And C. Social objective to establish and maintain industrial peace and to achieve economic progress. Number 6. Extends beyond personnel department. In most of the big enterprises, a personnel department is created to assist the managers in performing the staffing function. Generally, the personnel department is assigned the operative function of hiring, training, compensating, etc. It performs these functions in consultation with the departmental managers concerned. Therefore, the staffing function is performed by all managers rather than by the personnel department only. Staffing function should not be confused with the personnel department of an enterprise. The role of staffing is certainly much more than the responsibilities assigned to the personnel department. Personnel department is only a service department that provides specialized services to different managers in order to help them in discharging their responsibility. Number 7. Continuous function. Staffing is an ongoing function. Managers have to fulfill the staff needs of the organization, but only at the time of its inception, but at all times. Hiring, training, appraising, and compensating staff is a never-ending process.